It's quite a coincidence that we were introduced to each other because we were both dedicating our careers to saving the pollinator population.
Hello, I'm Wyatt Shell. I'm one of the co-founders of My Home Park. My background is in wild bees, so I'm a biologist by training, and I've spent the better part of the last 10 years studying wild bee behavioral ecology and sort of health and behavior.
I'm David Levine. I'm a product inventor. My last venture was Mr. Beam's line of LED lights. So once I got out of that commitment, I decided I had to do something about what I see as a looming environmental crisis.
That's one of my personal drives with My Home Park, is to hopefully inspire and empower others to bring native plants home and restore the environment in their yards in a way that will be very effective and very beautiful.
Restoring the habitats versus building products for bees to live in really struck me as being much more biologically sound.
We're really excited that by bringing together these diverse mixes of plants, we can offer something that will be beautiful structurally, visually, as well as powerful ecologically.